Hello everyone, my name is Shyam Chauhan and in this lecture we are going to study topic number 4.3 Solution of Quadratic Equation by Factorization. We are given with the quadratic equation 2x square minus 3x plus 1 equals to 0, and they are saying if we replace x by 1 on left hand side, this gives equals to 0, that is the right hand side of the equation. We say that x equals to 1 is the root of quadratic equation. Let us understand this. General form of the quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, where a, b and c are real numbers, and there is one more condition, that is a cannot be equals to 0, that is the coefficient of the term x square cannot be equals to 0. Now let us see this example. 2x square minus 3x plus 1 equals to 0. 2x square minus 3x plus 1 equals to 0. We have the left hand side, that is equals to 2x square minus 3x plus 1. If we replace x by 0 on the left hand side, what we get is 2 into 0 whole square minus 3 into 0 plus 1, that is equals to 1. This is equals to 0, this is equals to 0, remaining is 1, that is not equals to right hand side. If we replace x by 1, what we get is we have left hand side 2x square minus 3x plus 1, 2 into 1 whole square minus 3 into 1 plus 1, that is equals to 2 minus 3 plus 1, that is equals to minus 1 plus 1, that is equals to 0, and that is equals to right hand side of the equation 0. So we have replaced the x with 0 and we have replaced x with 1. We have replaced x with 0 and that is not giving the right hand side, but we have replaced x with 1 and that is giving the right hand side, that is equals to 0. So if we replace the x by any constant alpha, then alpha is the root of equation if it satisfies left hand side equals to right hand side. Here they are saying alpha is called the root if replacing x by alpha, that is a alpha square plus b alpha plus c equals to 0. Alpha is called the solution of quadratic equation. We can also say that alpha is the zero of the quadratic polynomial or the root of quadratic equation, and both the things are same. Zeros and roots are the same thing. Now let us solve one example. Example 3. We have to find the roots of quadratic equation 2x square minus 5x plus 3 equals to 0 by factorization. 2x square minus 5x plus 3 equals to 0. We knows the rule of sign, that is plus into plus, that is equals to plus, minus into minus, that is also equals to plus. We have plus into minus, that is equals to minus, minus into plus, that is also equals to minus. Now for the solution of the root of this quadratic equation using factorization, what we'll start with is we have the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. We have the coefficient a equals to 2, b equals to minus 5, we will take it with sign, and c equals to 3. Now in step 1 we will multiply a into c with sign, that is 2 into 3, that is equals to 6. Now we will split 6 in the product of two integers such that the sum equals to the middle term's coefficient, that is the coefficient of x, that is equals to minus 5. If I split 6, I can write 6 as 1 into 6 or 2 into 3, or I can write 3 into 2, but it is written here. Now if I want 6, I can do 1 into 6 or minus 1 into minus 6, because minus into minus is also plus, or I can do 2 into 3, or I can do minus 2 into minus 3. All these things will give 6, but I also have to check that the sum of the integers should also give the coefficient of the middle term, that is equals to b, that is equals to minus 5. So if I sum 1 plus 6, that is equals to 7, minus 1 plus minus 6, that is equals to minus 1, plus into minus is minus 6, that is equals to minus 7. If I sum 2 and 3, that is equals to 5, and if I sum minus 2 plus minus 3, that is equals to minus 2, plus into minus is minus 3, that is equals to minus 5. So I want the coefficient of middle term, that is minus 5, which I am getting from the pair minus 2 and minus 3. So I will split the middle term, that is minus 5x, with minus 2x minus 3x. We have the question 2x square minus 5x plus 3 equals to 0. I will split minus 5x as minus 2x minus 3x plus 3 equals to 0. Now if I take the common from first two terms, I will get 2x common. Remaining is x minus 1. I will write x minus 1 as it is equals to 0. Now if I want to make 3x from x, what I will do is multiply with 3. I also want the minus sign, so I will keep minus. Minus into plus is minus. 3 into x is 3x. Now minus into minus is plus. 3 into 1 is 3. So I will replace with minus 3. Now if I take common from these two terms, I can take x minus 1 common. Remaining is 2x and minus 3 is equal to 0. Now if product of two integers is 0, then any one of the integer can be equals to 0. It is x minus 1 equals to 0, or 2x minus 3 equals to 0. If I take one simple example, that is if 5 into 5 is 25, but if I replace any one integer with 0, the product will be equals to 0. Now x minus 1 equals to 0, then x will be equals to 1, or 2x minus 3 equals to 0, we have 2x equals to 3, x equals to 3 by 2. So x equals to 1 and 3 by 2 are the roots of quadratic equation. If we see the solution, we have splitted the middle term as minus 2x minus 3x. We have seen the detailed solution why we have splitted as minus 2x and minus 3x. Then they have got the roots, that is 1 and 3 by 2. We will solve one more example. Example 4. We have to find the roots of quadratic equation 6x square minus x minus 2 equals to 0. 6x square minus x minus 2 equals to 0. We'll start with a, b, and c, that are coefficients 6, minus 1, and minus 2. We will multiply a and c with sign, that is 6 into minus 2. We know the rule of product, that is plus into plus is plus, minus into minus is also plus, plus into minus is minus, minus into plus is also minus. Now we have 6 into 2, that is equals to 12, minus into plus, that is equals to minus. We have product minus 12. Now we have to split minus 12 such that we get the sum as the middle terms coefficient, that is coefficient of x, that is minus 1. So if I want to split 12, that is 1 into 12, 2 into 6, 3 into 4. Now since we have minus 12, minus we can get with plus into minus or minus into plus. So I will keep one sign positive, one sign negative. I want the coefficient that is equals to minus 1, so difference should be equals to 1. If I see the difference, we have difference of 11. If I see the difference, that is 6 minus 2, that is equals to 4. If I see the difference here, I have 4 minus 3, that is equals to 1. So difference is 1 over here, and I want the difference as minus 1. So if I pick this pair, I have 3 and 4. If I do one positive, one negative, 3 into minus 4, that is equals to minus 12. And if I sum 3 plus minus 4, what I will get is minus 1. So we have got the product as minus 12 from 3 into minus 4, and I got the coefficient of middle term, that is b, by the sum of 3 and minus 4. So I will split the middle term as 3 and minus 4. We have the question 6x square minus x minus 2 equals to 0. I will split the middle term as plus 3x minus 4x minus 2 equals to 0. If I take the common from first two terms, I can take 3x common, remaining is 2x plus 1. We will write 2x plus 1 as it is. If I want 4x, we will multiply with 2, and I want the minus sign. So minus into plus is minus. Now if I check for the second one, minus into plus is minus, 2 into 1 is 2. Now if I take the common from these two terms, I can take 2x plus 1 common, remaining is 3x minus 2 equals to 0. If product of two numbers is 0, any one number is equals to 0. That is x equals to minus 1 divided by 2, or x equals to 2 divided by 3. These are the roots of quadratic equation. Minus 1 by 2, 2 by 3. X equals to minus 1 by 2, or x equals to 2 by 3. In next lecture, we'll solve example 5. Thank you.